Imagine driving your Audi Q5 equipped with a sleek 13.3-inch HD touchscreen that blends seamlessly into your dashboard. This Android 13-powered car stereo revolutionizes your driving experience without compromising the original features of your vehicle. Retain access to the factory systems, including the radio, CD player, Bluetooth, and rear-view camera, while unlocking a world of modern tech. The dual-system design ensures you enjoy the familiarity of Audi's interface alongside the flexibility of Android 13, complete with 256 GB of storage for apps, audio, and videos. Stay connected effortlessly with 4G SIM and Wi-Fi support, enabling real-time GPS navigation, streaming, and app downloads. Whether you're using Google Maps offline or accessing live traffic updates online, the system adapts to your needs. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto integration let you mirror your smartphone for hands-free calls, audio, control, and navigation, all without tangled cables. Bluetooth 5.0 ensures crystal-clear audio for calls and audio, while the split-screen feature allows you to multitask, such as navigating with Google Maps while streaming a playlist or watching a video. Entertainment reaches new heights with 1080p HD video playback via USB or popular apps like YouTube, and passengers can enjoy movies or shows during long drives, thanks to the vibrant 13.3-inch display. The upgraded 8-core processor and 8 GB RAM ensures smooth performance, whether you're switching between apps or running graphics-heavy games. For added convenience, the built-in 4G module supports SIM card swapping, letting you choose your data plan freely. Safety isn't overlooked. The HD reversing camera automatically activates when shifting into reverse, providing a clear view of your surroundings. Meanwhile, voice commands allow you to input navigation destinations safely without taking your hands off the wheel.